Sawadi. And there's a temple over there.
Sawadi. Hi, in this short video, I will show you how much it costs to travel Thailand. First of all, a visit to the Museum of Siam in Bangkok introduces you to the Thai culture. After 4 o'clock, it's free. $1 is about 32 baht. You can get these boat noodles for 50 baht. The transportation in Bangkok is really good. You should buy a rabbit card to get around the city. You can also use this rabbit card to buy from 7-Eleven or vending machines. An alternative is to avoid peak hours and you download Grab to get around the city. You can also download Tuktukhop to get around the city. Before you visit temples, it's important to wear a proper clothing so that they don't kick you out. You should visit the Marble Temple for 50 baht, Wat Arun for 50 baht, and the Grand Palace for 500 baht. In the Grand Palace, you can get a free guide. You can visit the Giant Swing, Democracy Monument, and the Temple on the Mount for a whopping 0 baht. But if you want to go inside the Temple of the Mount, it's 50 baht. Besides pad thai and iced tea, these are other dishes you should try. Sai-o thigh sausage, or if you're feeling adventurous, you can try crickets. You should try Kanko Wan, a green Thai curry with egg. Thai curry in McDonald's costs less than $5. You can take the Hua Long Phong line to get to Lop Buri in Ayutthaya for $10. You can also take the train from Hua Long Phong to get to Kuala Lumpur. You can also take a bus to Myanmar and Cambodia, but it's not advisable since you would be greeted with tuk-tuk scammers. As mentioned in my other travel video, you can take the Nakhon Chai Air bus from Bangkok to Laos. In Ayutthaya, you can rent a bike and a mat for 50 baht, or you can take a tuk-tuk to get around the city. If you like Khmer architecture and monkeys, you should visit Lop Buri.
Hello monkey, do you want a banana? Here's a banana. Yum.
You should take the Maeklong train to experience the rural life of Thailand. But don't confuse this one with the Hua Long Phong line because this train is in the south. You can use your rabbit card to get to Wong Yai station and it will take you to Ban Lai.
How close everybody is to the train. They're recording it.
Muay Thai fights are usually in downtown Bangkok, but you can watch one in the waterfront. You should watch an entertaining Muay Thai fight for 1,000 baht, about $30. If you like gold, you should visit Wat Pho for 100 baht. Water is also included in your purchase. If some countries flex how tall their buildings are, Thailand is no stranger to flexing the size of their Buddha. In Wat Pho, you can get a traditional massage for $12. Street massages cost about $6, but not recommended for the elderly. Overall, you can get good accommodation, food, visit ancient cities, watch a soccer match, watch traditional dance, Muay Thai, and a massage for less than $99. Lang gone. Goodbye. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for more travel videos. Thank you and have a great day.